So I have finally decided that I'm going to organize my makeup desk section over here. It's really embarrassing because I've left it messy for many days, weeks, months even. So this is what it looks like right now. It's a huge mess. There's like random stuff everywhere. I need a new makeup desk, by the way, because I've had this for going on almost 9 years now. And yeah. But for now, I'm just going to organize it, throw out old makeup, wash my brushes eventually. If not tonight, then I will do it tomorrow probably. Clean out my makeup drawers here. Just organize. I already... Hey baby. I already have some stuff on the bed that I started to sort, I guess you could say. And then after that, that's when I'll organize that section. She's not having it. And this section that I have been hiding with a blanket. But under here is literal junk. A lot of it is just like empty bags. Like that's probably empty. There's clothes back here. I just have to organize this. But that is my task for tonight. So wish me luck. So I was cleaning and I was sitting on my computer chair. I leaned forward to pick something up off the floor and I slid off my chair and I fell straight on my ass on the floor. And yeah, I was laughing and Hector was here and he was laughing. And Ophi comes over and checks on me. Even Roxy, our rabbit, was like chewing at her cage because I fell right in front of her cage. So everybody was checking on me and I'm fine because thankfully it was like literally like a really short fall. But I feel sore in my butt now because I felt pretty hard. So that just delayed my whole cleaning process because all I got done was my makeup desk. And now I feel like I have to lay down because my butt is sore. So that's an update for you guys. Always something. Happy Saturday? Yeah, Saturday. I almost forgot what day it was. Happy Saturday, everybody. So today I am going to be cooking some chicken parm. My family is coming over today and we're gonna have our little 3 Kings Day dinner celebration, I guess you could say. Or 3 Kings Day celebration, and I'm making dinner. So I'm making chicken parm and garlic bread, and yeah, we're just gonna have dinner, hang out, have a good time. So I'm gonna get started on that now. And I really want some wine. Maybe I'll have a little bit. We'll see. I got my chicken breast here. So I season it with onion powder, garlic powder, Worcestershire, I don't even know how to pronounce it, sauce, and 1.5 sazon con azafran. So that's what I put in here. Oh, and lemon juice too to take out the gaminess of the chicken. Then I have my eggs here all beaten up, and I got my breadcrumbs. So I'm gonna bread these up and put them in the fryer. And then I gotta make the pasta too, but I'm waiting for Hector to get back from the store so I can start making the pasta. Pasta. Yay! Everybody on their phone. Hi guys, happy Sunday. So we are headed to my parents' house today because tonight is the Golden Globes. So we are going to go and watch the Golden Globes with them. We always watch the Oscars and the Golden Globes together. So yeah, we're gonna head over there and watch it with them and have a little Golden Globes night party. I printed out the ballots and I got some snacks, and we're gonna make some steak and have rice and beans. I'm excited. So we're gonna head over there now. Keep watching if you want to learn how to get this one. Keep on watching, okay guys? So big. It's vlog time. You still doesn't look. Look at the camera, not at yourselves. That's true, I'm supposed to look like this. So guys, we're here today. We're gonna try the Zana Oreo drink. No, we're not. That's nice. What does the Batman say?
I only have time for coffee.
Yeah.
You don't want it?
Why not? That's like naan bread.
Alright, I'll take one of them.
Oh yeah. First ever Filipino restaurant, and I'm so excited.
Yeah.
What's that?
The fried plantain wrapped in the spring roll with caramelized mango.
Get that.
That's dessert. Get it up.
Oh, it's
Oh,
a dessert? Okay.
So,
Doesn't get everything.
this is our plate. We got lumpia, fried rice, and
fried rice looks
adobo.
good.
This is a sauce for the lumpia.
It looks so good.
It's like,
Yeah, that sounds good. So he's gonna heat it up right now.
oh, look at that rice.
No, you get rice. Oh,
I don't like fried rice with like lumpia.
that's what I'm thinking.
That was delicious. We like show it up. I still have leftovers. She has some lumpia left, but it was really good. What is this place called again?
Lutong Bahay.
Lutong Bahay in Bremerton, New Jersey. I'm like sleepy now. It was really good though. Selfie!
Yeah.
So, yeah. We just finished shopping at the mall. We spent way too much money. It's alright.
Look good. Go. There you go.
Thank you. So Hector asked for buffalo sauce and they gave him buffalo powder. Like actual powder.
What the hell? They want me to do the buffalo powder challenge?
He like stuck his French fry in there and he was like, what the hell is this? I look cray cray. We just did a nose strip and an exfoliation.
Joe Montana.
Exfoliator. Now we're gonna do sheet masks. I'm gonna be doing this one. It's chocolate milk. A chocolate milk sheet mask. This is it. And it says in the book, cocoa extract helps make the skin feel smooth and soft by exfoliating dead skin cells. I can't even talk. I don't like it on my nose ever. So I always slide it up. Jason.
Am I doing the right one?
No, he's
Oh, okay. But the one that I just did was Michael, right?
yes.
Holy crap, the liquid is getting in my eye and burning. All day today since this morning, liquid has been getting in my eye.
That's what she said.
More eating chronicles today. We're at Mooyah Burger in Skillman, New Jersey. Right, Beeb? And Pussy. She's eating the same as me. We got double cheeseburgers and they're super juicy. Like, look at this. So good. And then we got a freaking family size fry and holy shoot. We're definitely gonna have extra. So cool. We're walking to the dog bar. It's so cold again.
She's like playing soccer.
Ophi, you want water? Water, baby.
This hat has 2 feet. I don't want it.
Oh, we're in the Broncos gear.
Oh, yeah. Even though they're not in the playoffs, but it's okay.
Ophi, look! She can't go very fast, but she tries. Go, 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 mama, go, go, go. Yeah. Can we go back home? I want the heated blanket.